Today I'll be showing you the steps I took to apply this Dura-dressing on my tires. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I want to go over is what I actually did to set up for my Dura-dressing application. I did get a Canopy, and a lot of the products you see here, I will have a link on the description below in case you guys are interested in getting them. The next thing I bought was these leveling blocks, these yellow leveling blocks, and they look something like this. And the reason I did that is because I need to get around the whole tire, so that lets me put it a little bit offset so that I can go around the tire. The other thing I purchased was this 2-ton jack to be able to, of course, to pick up each side of the tires or each side of the car, so I can put those leveling blocks underneath. And the last thing I used was, of course, my Craftsman pressure washer to knock off all the dirt off of the tires and all the previous dressing. This thing took me about 4 hours to finish. The very first thing and the toughest thing that you're gonna have to do if you're gonna do this for the first time is you're going to have to clean your tires. And not just clean them by pressure washing them. They do cut in the kit. You do get this Dura cleaner that you're supposed to use. It's basically a degreaser to get all the previous dressings off, and you use this I guess you can call this a tire brush to knock it off. Now it will take you 4 or 5 times where you apply the cleaner and you scrub the tire and you rinse it off with the power washer. You repeat the process 4 to 5 times until your suds come out white all the way around. That's when you know your tires are clean. After your tires are completely dry and they've been cleaned, the last step here in the process is to use this Dura-dressing. Now this Dura-dressing, you apply it like any other tire dressing. You just cannot leave blotches. You have to kind of like let it apply it nice and evenly. And what it's recommended you do is after you apply it, you let it dry, and if you feel like you need another coat, you go ahead and reapply after about a day. But here are the results so far. I just applied it about 15 minutes ago, and that's in full sun right there. Here's the other one. Now what this is supposed to do is if you don't like when you apply your dressing to have the gunk come out here whenever you drive off, this is your way of doing it, or this is the better way of applying dressing. This dressing should last about a year. According to the manufacturer, it should last about a year, and you can power wash this. You don't have to really unless you apply, I guess, degreaser to it. And what I like about this is once you do the hard work, which is essentially cleaning your tires, getting all that other gunk off of it before you apply it, it's a real easy application after that. I will warn you, it will take you about close to an hour per tire to truly get it nice and clean and get it to where you need it to be before you apply this application. When you apply this application, it goes on kind of like a tintish, like a blue tint, and then you start kind of like working it in until it goes clear. I really like the results so far. I am going to give it another application probably tomorrow, just to be on the safe side. But if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.